Did you know there is a way to show only a specific window in OBS Studio without showing your entire screen? Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Sash. Today I'm going to show you how to add a specific window in OBS Studio. Let's get started.
First, we open the window that we want to have on the OBS screen. For example, I'll open a calculator window and also a file explorer window. One thing to keep in mind is that the open window doesn't need to be set to always on top, but it shouldn't be minimized. It can be in the background or foreground, but it shouldn't be minimized. First, in the scene section, we select the scene we want. Then, in the sources section, we can either right-click on that scene and choose Add, or click the plus button and select Window Capture from the options. Now, in this section, for this source, we can choose any name we want. For example, I'll name this source Cal, and then we click OK. When we click OK, a new window will open, showing us all the open windows. For example, if I select this Explorer window, it will show that. And if I select the Calculator window, it will show the calculator. Now I select the calculator. We can also change these settings if we want. This option controls whether the mouse cursor is visible. When I move over the calculator, it decides if the cursor will be shown on the OBS screen. I'll leave it checked so that the cursor is visible. This option separately adds the sound from the window itself to OBS. Then we click OK. Now we have our desired window on the OBS screen, where we can resize it or make any other adjustments we want. If you notice, a mouse cursor is also displayed on it. If you use the calculator, it will be shown on OBS. Just remember about the tip I mentioned at the beginning. If you minimize your window, it will also disappear from the OBS screen. So make sure not to minimize it. We can either keep it in the background, or if you have a second monitor, you can move it there.
Now that you have learned this, you might want to learn some more advanced tips to set up OBS Studio like a pro. If you're interested, check out this playlist.